Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Verse 15. By meditating in this manner, always controlling the body, mind, and activities, the mystic transcendentalist attains to peace, the supreme nirvana, which abides in me.
Nirvana means, the actual word nirvana Sanskrit, nirvana means finish. Finish. That is called nirvana. That means materialistic activity is finished. No more. That's called nirvana. And unless you finish this nonsense activity, see, there is no question of peace. So long you engage in materialistic activities, there is no question of peace. Prahlad Maharaj said to his father, Tat sadhu manne suravajjadehinam sada samadhumaka dhyam asad graha. His father asked him, my dear boy, you are being educated, a small boy, 5 years old, father is always affectionate. And he was asking, my dear boy, what you have learned, best thing till now? He immediately, yes, father, I shall tell you, the best thing. What is that? He said, Tat sadhu manne suravajjadihina. My dear father, this is the best thing. For whom? Best thing for whom? He said, Tat sadhu manne suravajjadihnam sada samudvigna dhyam asadgrahat. These people, these materialistic people, who have accepted something non-permanent, just try to understand each word. These materialistic people, they are hankering after capturing something non-permanent. That's all. We have seen by experience now that President Mr. Kennedy, he was a very rich man, he wanted to be president, and he spent money like anything. He became president. He had his nice family, wife, children, presidency. Finished within a second. Similarly, everyone is trying in the material world to capture something which is non-permanent. But I am spirit, soul, permanent. So these rascals, they do not come to sense that I am permanent, why I am after non-permanent. If I am always busy for comforts of this body, but I know that this body today or tomorrow or 100 years after will be finished. And so far I am concerned, I am spirit, soul, I have no birth, I have no death. Then what is my function? It is the bodily function. So far I am doing these material activities. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj said, Asad Graha, just see how nice. They are anxious, they are full of anxieties because they have captured something non-permanent. Their whole activities are targeted to capture something non-permanent. Therefore they are always full of anxiety. Any person, any living entity, man, beast or animal or bird, always anxious. This is material disease. So, if you are always full of anxieties, where there is question of peace? I go in the street and say, beware of dog. They are living in a very nice house, but full of anxieties. Somebody may not come. Let there be dog. You see, beware of dog. no trespassers. That means, although living in a nice cottage, very nice, but full of anxieties. Full of anxieties. Sitting in an office, very nice, good salary, always thinking, oh, I may not lose this office. You see? American nation, very rich nation, very defense force, everything, always anxious. Oh, these Vietnamese may not come here. So who is free from anxiety? Therefore, the conclusion is, if you want peace without anxieties, then you have to come to the Krishna consciousness. There is no other alternative. It is practical. Just try to understand. Therefore, here it is said, by meditating in this manner, when meditating upon me, Krishna, always controlling the body. The first control is tongue. And the next control is the genital. Then you control everything. You give your tongue engagement for chanting and eating Krishna Prasad. It is control. Finished. And as soon as your tongue is controlled, immediately your stomach is controlled, immediately next your genital is controlled. Simple thing. Controlling the body. Mind. Mind being fixed up Krishna, no other engagement. Control. Activities, always doing Krishna's work. Gardening, typing, cooking, working, everything for Krishna. Activities. The mystic transcendentalists, then immediately they become mystic transcendentalists, attains to peace, the supreme Nirvana which abides in me. It is only in Krishna. You cannot find out peace outside Krishna activities, outside Krishna consciousness. That is not possible.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.